So today I will explain to you guys everything about Dribbble. So guys, welcome to my new video, and I'm very happy you have been following up with me and everything. I really appreciate it. And so in today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys how to freelance on Dribbble and how freelancing on Dribbble works and what you're going to be doing there to get paid on Dribbble in 2023. So guys, before I go straight into today's tutorial, I need your favor, just 5 seconds of your time. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment in the comment section below once you're able to upgrade your Dribbble account successfully and you are getting project. Just comment in the comment section, tell me, hey Questionnaire, I got my first project on Dribbble today. Okay guys, good. So as you can see on my screen right now, I'm on Dribbble actually. So Dribbble sign up link is going to be in my video description. Do check it out to sign up for Dribbble. Very fast and easy. You don't need much things, just your Gmail, your name and your password. Then boom, you got your own personal Dribbble account. So guys, first thing you have to do whenever you sign up on Dribbble is to go straight to your profile. As you can see, go straight to your profile here. Once you go straight to your profile here, you click on edit profile. You add your profile picture or your brand logo. You add your bio, your profile bio. There's a section whereby you will link your social media accounts. Okay, so let me go to edit profile right now. I want to show you what I'm saying. Oh, okay. Guys, I'm very sorry about the earlier connection issue I had. So I've rectified it now, so everything is working perfect. So right now I'm on my profile right here on Dribbble. So the first thing is my name. The first thing is my logo. I can use my profile picture as well, but for now I'm just using my brand logo just to explain this to you guys easily in this video. So the next thing is my name, then my location, then my bio. I just write something a little bit. My main goal is my main design quality things. Yeah, just that personal website. My YouTube is the website I have for now that I linked here, and I can as well use my Get Response website as well. If you are following up with me, you will know I have a Get Response website. So good. So the portfolio URL I actually designed on Canva. Right here is my Canva homepage. So I designed some things right here. So what I designed the other day was actually my thumbnail, my video thumbnail. I went to download. After downloading the thumbnail, there is an option share the link. So I copied the link, then paste the link down here. So after the pasting of the link, then schedule Calendly URL. This, if you haven't have an account of Calendly, I will surely add the video the sign up link in the video description. Sorry guys. So after that, you're going to click on save profile. After clicking on saving profile, then you go to your social profile guys. I actually link few social media accounts with this aspect. I link my Twitter only, but you can link as many social media as you want, like Facebook, Google, Figma, Instagram, GitHub, Creative Market, CodePen, and Medium, Binance, and LinkedIn, Vimeo. And so those are the social media accounts you have to link to your Dribbble account to make it more professional. So after you are done with all those things, then you click on this. As you can see, this option right there. Click on this option, upload. So I actually upload one portfolio earlier. So it will take you down to a page whereby you have to upload things right here. So this page right now, once I click on browse, okay, what have you been working on? I need to. So guys, this is this section right here is the text, the title of the design. For example, let me just say gold. Let's just say gold. I want to type gold right here. Okay. So guys, this upload I want to make now is all about cartoon logo, and I'm going to pick it from my previous project of my past clients on Fiverr, which I already did a few months ago. So I'm going to click on browse right now, and then I'll click on the project, which is somewhere right here. So guys, this is the project. I did a cartoon logo for about $15 on Fiverr. Okay, it's very, very small. So okay, I will pick on that image, then have it there. So I actually changed my mind, and I used brand logo and YT inside, YouTube inside. So this is my channel inside for a few months ago, and this is the section where I added the image for the brand logo. So another thing is, if you want to add extra block, you're going to click on insert block. For example, you can add extra text here, you can add image, you can add video. Like let's say I'm going to add a video now. Okay, so after clicking on the video, I'm going to click on browse, then I'll add the video, or I should insert the URL of the video. Let's say, and I'm coming now, I will search it now and do it. So guys, I'm actually adding this video. It's like a countdown, a video that is a countdown. I'm adding it there right now. Then I'll click on open. Then as you can see, guys, boom, video is here. As you can see, it's a countdown. Then the next thing now is to checking what else do I have to add, because I should, yes. So the video is already uploaded successfully now. This video successfully, that's why I have this continue button is activated. Once I click on continue now, this specific image I did, as you can see, draft saved. Your draft is saved for later on your profile. As you can see, guys, it's saved. Then let's just say graphic design. These are the search tags, like the hashtags you want to use in this thing. Logo, yes. Branding. I just want to be fast about everything. Then after that, these other options, if it's necessary, if you feel like adding them, you're going to add them. But all these options, these 3 options, for more good quality of what you are going to present to whoever want to like hire you on Dribbble, is only accessed by pros. So before the end of this month or by next month, I will activate my pro account on Dribbble, and I will surely re-explain again with a pro account. Stay tuned for this aspect of Dribbble in my upcoming videos. So the next thing now is to publish now. So after publishing, then it will take me down to the page of whereby this thing is published already. Then okay, it's still loading. So it's published now, guys. My name is here and my work is already here, guys. This is my work. It's currently available now for anybody to see it on Dribbble, and anybody can as well message me when I upgrade my account to Pro. So as you can see, this is message, this is share. There's so many other buttons here. Some other buttons are here actually. So on the previous post I did, okay, the previous post I did earlier. So after doing this, you're going to, okay, this is the previous post I did. Okay, it's going to show the 2 works here. So guys, as you can see, go pro today to personalize your profile. Exactly. So guys, this is the post I did yesterday. I got 1 view by myself, because currently all these posts I posted here can only be viewed by me and can only be liked, or anything I want to do is going to be only by me. No one is going to see this, not until I get a pro account. So guys, once I get a pro account, the next thing is to just stay active very well on it, and I will always go to this section, find work, and I'm going to, as you can see, freelance projects. So there will be surely like a proposal here constructed by clients that you send like a request here. You can send a proposal to just like, and if you have an experience of Upwork, that's exactly how Dribbble work as well. So you're going to send the proposal to them, and you're going to get your jobs done easily. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate your time. And as you can see, if you want to hire a designer on Dribbble, this is the option. Go pro. Exactly, we're going to go pro very soon. Learn designing. If you want to learn, you could get a course right here. And inspiration, if you want to get inspired, you feel like seeing some things that you use to make your own imagination and design a very good image. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Comment in the comment section below regarding my video. If you want me to make more videos and you wish to stay connected with me, turn on the notification bell now to stay connected with me. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.